What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about money, making money, increasing your income, increasing your wealth, your net worth, all of the above. Now, before we get into that, I do want to start off by saying, please make sure that you guys are liking these videos. Give an extra thumbs up today, just for the shirt, an extra thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel if you're new around here. Hit that red button below, it will not cost you anything. And in fact, it might even make you some more money, who knows, just try it out first. Add to that, make sure you guys are commenting as always. I'll keep interacting with you guys, engaging with you guys, talking to you guys, so keep that going. And lastly, but most importantly, share these videos with your friends. Get them out to more people, help us grow, keep us growing, keep up the good rate so far in July. Let's keep that going, people. But now, let's talk about money, making money, and why this period of time in 2020 is the best time for you to make some money. So to start off, I just want to tell you guys, making money, money doesn't just come from trees, money doesn't just fall from the sky. So you will have to put in a little bit of effort to make money, but still doesn't change the fact that right now, this period is the best time for you to make some money. So why do I say that today? Well, the fact that you can go online and you can literally type in on Google, type in on YouTube, how to make money. That's a good thing. That's a nice, easy way to start learning how to make some money. But before you cut me off and say, that's not gonna make me any money by opening up Google, opening up YouTube, and typing in how to make money, sure, you're right. What I will say is this, in this day and age, right now, you can still go online and learn a skill for free. Absolutely nothing, it won't cost you anything. You can go on YouTube, you can go on Google and start looking up skills which will make you money. If you don't know any skills that will make you money, I've given you guys tons and tons and tons of videos where I explain these kind of things. For those of you who have not watched those videos, let me just tell you a few things which will make you money. Copywriting, graphic design, videography, photography, content creation. There's 5 right there. I'm telling you, there's so many more. You just need to go online and start looking for them yourself. Now let's talk about those 5 I mentioned. Copywriting, graphic design, videography, content creation. All you need to do, again, is go on Google, open up your browser and look on there for free and you can start learning. You might have to spend 1 hour, 2 hours each and every day, but I guarantee you, if you take it away from that Netflix time, that social media time, all the content binge watching time, you can start learning those skills. And eventually you can start using your skills to make you some money. The good thing is, you learn those skills, the ones I mentioned, or many more that are out there, and guess what? Even if you're new to the game, you can start making money ASAP. All you need to do is start promoting yourself, getting yourself out to more people. There are plenty of online websites where you can sell your services. And I'm not purely just talking about social media websites, your Instagrams, your Snapchats, your Reddits, your Twitters. I'm not purely talking about those now. I'm talking about, even your Fiverrs, your Upworks, where you can start showing your freelancing skills, where you can start putting yourself out there and selling your services. There's enough opportunity out there in this day and age. This time is the best time to make some money. And the good thing is, maybe this was available 2 years ago, 3 years ago. I've talked about it in the past. But right now in 2020, more people than ever need these kind of services because more people are becoming creative. More people are trying to, do new things. People are trying to start something new. People are starting to build their own businesses, start running Facebook ads, starting to use the power of the internet because they've got more time in their hands. We're in a weird situation, in a weird period of time, a strange period of time. And the good thing is, people will start trying to use that to their advantage. So now all that's left for you to do is start finding ways on how you can contribute to that kind of thing. I'm telling you, I have my own smartwatch company, and I'm telling you, there are enough people who are, asking me, hey, do you need my services for this? Hey, I do this, I do that. I'm definitely interested in those services. Now, to me and you, who are the people who are buying those services, who are paying for those services, it might look expensive. When you're the person on the other side of the transaction, you're the person selling your services, oh, trust me, that's some good money. And again, there's no better period of time to start that than now. I personally know people who've started things, videography, graphic design, within the last 6 months, and they're really starting to push their business out there, get it to more people, increase their reach, and they're starting to make some money off it. I can tell. And that's a good thing. You see them succeeding in what they're doing. And a few months from now, that could easily be you. All you need to do is start learning. And if you already know and you've already learned and taken the time to, build your craft, all you need to do is start promoting yourself, selling your service, getting it out to more people, getting it in front of more eyes. And what's even better, in this period of time, you don't need to know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different skills. You can know simply one skill. You can simply just be so good in one skill and that can make you thousands online each and every month. A few months from now, I'm telling you, that could be you making thousands a month just because you learned one skill, just because you took the time in a 3-month period to learn purely one skill. That's all it takes. Taking the time, putting the effort to learn one skill. For those of you who are talented, or those of you who have already learned one skill and you want to learn more, that's also fine. Learning more than one is even better. Once you can start combining things, you might tell someone, hey, I take really good pictures, I also make really good videos. That's perfect for a business. You might say to people, hey, I'm a good graphic designer, but I'm also a good content creator. I also create actual ads for you. Same thing, even better. But what I'm telling you, for those of you who are new, for those of you who are beginners, don't be afraid to start launching something. Don't be afraid to try something out. I tell you, I guarantee you, if you put in 3 months and you don't learn a lot, you don't, become successful all in one go, it doesn't matter. Maybe that skill you try to learn isn't really fitted to how you are. Maybe as a person, you're better suited to something else. Still try it, still learn. Don't be discouraged by, not seeing success with one skill. Try different things out. Because again, this period right here is the best period of time to make some money. It doesn't have to purely be online. It can be people who are trying to, lose some weight. You might easily go into parks, doing certain fitness classes, body weight stuff. I don't know. There's so many different ideas out there for you guys to test out. But me saying all of this is not to say that it's easy, but it is to say that it's definitely possible. You have the opportunity. You have the means. All you need is your phone. I've said it so many times. All you need is your phone, your laptop, and you got your starter tools. If you have a bit of money, even better. Start learning how to trade stocks. Start putting some money in stocks. You might eventually, become that person who starts taking money from other people to trade stocks for them and bring them back some returns. I'm just pumping out ideas here. Again, it's up to you guys what you try. But I don't want you guys to waste this period of time. You guys are gonna look back on this video in a couple of years and think, you know what, 2020, July, August, middle of the pandemic, was a good time to make money. Of course, all that's going on around us with the riots, with the pandemic, with people losing their jobs, with the economy, all of that is not good. But you've got to, at the end of the day, you've got to look out for yourself. You've got to do what's best for yourself. Make yourself some money. Give yourself the opportunity to make some money. Profit of whatever situation you're in right now. I'm not saying profit off, the global situation, profit of whatever situation you're in. If you've been laid off, you've got more time on your hands, profit off that. If you're working from home, you don't have to commute, profit of the fact you've got more time. If you've been given a bit more money because, you got a skip stimulus check, profit of the fact that you've been given some more money to play with. Use it to your advantage, use it to your benefit. If you want to start spending money, on courses, on guides, so you don't have to, make all the same mistakes as other people have made, it will save you a lot less time, do that. If you want to pay for someone to mentor you, to teach you how they made a lot of money through copywriting, how they made a lot of money through videography, do that. If you want to spend money on how to, build your own e-commerce brand, how to, start trading online, how to do whatever it may be, drop shipping, flipping items, spend that money and do that for yourself. If you've got an extra $50 that you can, save because you're not spending money on Starbucks each and every day, guess what? Use that to your benefit, use that to your advantage. Find out ways that you can improve yourself by using that. Invest in yourself. Spend money on stuff that will actually help you grow, become a better person, make some more money. But I'm gonna reiterate it. We are now in the best period of time to make some money for yourself. You have the opportunity, you have the options. It's up to you, left up to you, to decide what you're gonna do with your time. Decide what you wanna do with your money. And that means taking steps to use your time to improve yourself, taking steps to do things which are going to benefit you, or just simply sitting around, lazing around, doing things which are not going to benefit you, binge watching YouTube content, feeling like you're doing something because you're watching motivational videos, feeling like you're doing something because you're seeing other people succeed, feeling like you're actually improving your life because you're seeing, friends or close friends or family improving their lives, getting up to things. How you spend your time during this pandemic, or how you spend your time in your life in total, is going to determine how far you get to, what is that you get out of your life. And I'm telling you, after this period of time, after this pandemic, we're going to see a lot of people succeeding. Now, those people will probably be people who spend their time during the pandemic to do what's best for them. But at the same time, we're going to see a lot of people who are now content creators. You might not be successful once you come out of a pandemic, but you might have put yourself 3, 4, 5 months ahead of everyone else. And that's what it takes. You can start putting yourself ahead by a few months, by just a few weeks of, constant hard work. You can put yourself ahead of your peers by a few years by putting in 3 months, 6 months of real solid, consistent hard work. Some of you guys have to realize you've been blessed with an opportunity. The opportunity to improve yourself, the opportunity to self-improve, to invest in yourself, to make some money. It's up to you to actually use that opportunity to your advantage. Look right here, this is money. Once you learn to value this, you're on the right step. Once you learn to value that and start using it to your benefit, using it as a tool, you're on the right step. Again, that can come in many different forms. It's up to you what you do with your money. It's up to you what you do with your time. Leverage it, use it wisely, make sure that you use it to make a good difference, a solid difference, a positive impact in your life. I can't stress it enough to you guys. The reason I created this channel is because I've made so many different mistakes, I've done so many things which, have hurt me, and I'm trying to make sure you guys do not do the same. My aim is to help you guys become better each and every day, even if by 0.1%. That's the aim. That's how you get good at things, by consistently doing things to improve yourself. My aim on this channel is to push people closer to financial success, push people closer to their goals, to their dreams, get them on course for their targets, their resolutions, whatever they're trying to do, whatever they're trying to accomplish. This is where you can start learning ideas. This is where you can start learning from me so you can improve your own future and better yourselves so you can start to see the impact of what you're doing. So you can start seeing your results after 3 months, 6 months, however long it may take. You've got to do it, you've got to put in the work, you've got to be smart with your decisions. Use your time wisely, use this period of time we're in wisely, and take the steps to improve yourself so you can start living your best life. So as always, I really hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and hopefully you guys can really take some stuff out of it so you can improve yourselves and become better each and every day. Use this period wisely. We may never get another period like this in our whole entire lives, and it may be a good thing, maybe a bad thing. But you've got this period right now, we're in this situation, we might as well do the best so we can use this situation to better ourselves and improve our lives. As always, if you guys do want to improve your lives in a different way, please feel free to check out that first link in the description. It is a free guide to making some online profits. For those of you who are looking to get into online business, it's a free guide there. Start by just reading that. That may be the beginning to your money journey. Who knows? If you've not signed up through Robinhood, Sign up through the link in the description again. You can get a free stock, I'll get a free stock. It's nice for both of us, so try that out. Cryptocurrency as well. If you never invest in cryptocurrency or you're not signed up to Coinbase, link in the description, sign up there and get yourself some free Bitcoin. Again, these are small ways for you to help yourself and improve your lives. So do those as well as signing up to the affiliate program. Link is also in the description. Check it out. Check out, Time Gear Watches, my smartwatch company. Ask me questions if you need, on how I started it. Ask me questions, ask me anything. As you guys know, I'm always open to doing those kind of things. So just ask me the questions. Let me know what you guys want to see. Lastly, I do want to say again, thank you guys for the feedback. Thank you guys for the comments. Thank you guys for all the support. Keep it up. It's lovely. I'll keep making videos for you. Keep trying to help you guys and keep supporting you guys as well. So overall, hope you guys have a great day. Go out and be great again. But that's what it is, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I got money making. You have got money to making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.